Welcome to day 6 of the 28-day weight loss challenge with I Be My Own. You're already making incredible progress, and today we're taking things up a notch. This is your chance to push past limits, build strength, and feel unstoppable. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Let's make day 6 count. Start day 6 with a dynamic warm-up to wake up your muscles and get the blood flowing. Jog in place, swing those arms, and stretch it out. Remember, a good warm-up prevents injuries and sets you up for success.
Today's workout is designed to torch calories and sculpt your body. Here's what we've got. 1 jumping jacks, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Get your heart rate up. 2 squat pulses, 3 sets of 15 reps. Feel the burn in those thighs. 3 plank shoulder taps, 3 sets of 12 reps each side. Strengthen your core and upper body. 4 lunge twists, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Engage those legs and your obliques. 5 seated Russian twists, 3 sets of 20 reps. Twist your way to a stronger core. Well done! Wind down with a 5-minute cool down. Stretch your hamstrings, quads, and shoulders while taking deep breaths. This helps your body recover faster and stay flexible. Let's talk food. Fuel your body with these delicious and healthy options. Breakfast. Kickstart your day with a protein-packed spinach and egg white omelet served with whole grain toast. Lunch. Enjoy a nourishing bowl of quinoa salad loaded with veggies, chickpeas, and a zesty lemon dressing. Dinner. End your day with a comforting bowl of lentil soup paired with a side of sautéed green beans and almonds. These meals are balanced, flavorful, and perfect for day 6. You're crushing it. Subscribe to I Be My Own and hit that like button to stay motivated. Share your journey in the comments and inspire others to join the challenge. Together, we're unstoppable. See you tomorrow for day 7.